Alright, picture this. You're cruising down the highway, the sun's setting, and you're in a car that feels like it's from the future. No engine roar, just a smooth, almost silent glide. You glance at the minimalist dashboard, a massive touchscreen glowing, showing you everything from your speed to the next charging station. You're not just driving, you're experiencing the future of transportation. Now, the question is, how do you get that experience? How do you actually get your hands on a Tesla? It's not like going to your local dealership and haggling over a price. It's a whole different ballgame. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. Let's be real, the idea of owning a Tesla is more than just buying a car. It's stepping into a tech ecosystem, a lifestyle. You're buying into innovation, sustainability, and a certain sleek, modern aesthetic. But before you can feel that instant torque or experience autopilot, you need to navigate the Tesla ordering process. And trust me, while it's designed to be straightforward, there are a few nuances you definitely want to know. First things first, you're going to be doing this online. Tesla has largely bypassed the traditional dealership model, opting for a direct-to-consumer approach. This means you'll be interacting primarily with their website or mobile app. So, grab your laptop, your tablet, or your phone, and let's dive in. The journey starts on Tesla's official website, tesla.com. Here, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface. You'll need to create a Tesla account, which is pretty standard: email, password, the usual drill. This account will be your hub for everything Tesla related, from placing your order to managing your vehicle down the line. Once you're logged in, you'll be faced with the model selection. This is where the fun begins. You've got the Model 3, the Model Y, the Model S, and the Model X. Each model has its own unique features, performance specs, and, of course, price points. Let's say you're eyeing the Model Y. You click on it, and you're immediately presented with a configurator. This is where you customize your dream Tesla. You'll start with the variant, standard range, long range, or performance. Each variant has different range, acceleration, and performance characteristics. Next up, it's the exterior. You'll choose your paint color. From the classic pearl white multicoat to the striking midnight silver metallic, the options are designed to appeal to a wide range of tastes. Then, you'll pick your wheels. The standard wheels are usually a good starting point, but you can upgrade to larger, more stylish options if you want to make a statement. Now, let's talk about the interior. This is where you'll spend most of your time, so it's crucial to get it right. You'll choose your interior color and material, typically black or white vegan leather. You'll also decide on any additional interior features, like enhanced autopilot or full self-driving capability. Autopilot. This is a big one. It's Tesla's advanced driver assistance system. The standard autopilot provides features like traffic-aware cruise control and autosteer. Enhanced autopilot adds features like navigate on autopilot, auto lane change, and autopark. Full self-driving capability, or FSD, is the most advanced option, promising future features like automatic driving on city streets. It's important to note that FSD is still in beta and its capabilities are constantly evolving. As you configure your Tesla, you'll see the price update in real time. This transparency is one of the key differences between Tesla and traditional dealerships. You know exactly what you're paying for, with no hidden fees or markups. Once you're happy with your configuration, it's time to place your order. You'll need to pay a non-refundable order fee, which secures your spot in the production queue. This fee varies depending on the model and can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s. Now, the waiting game begins. Tesla provides an estimated delivery time frame, but it can vary significantly depending on factors like demand, production capacity, and your specific configuration. You can track your order status through your Tesla account, which will give you updates on your vehicle's progress. While you're waiting, you can explore financing options. Tesla offers its own financing, but you can also use third-party lenders or pay in cash. If you're considering financing, it's a good idea to get pre-approved to understand your options. Another crucial step is preparing for delivery. Tesla will notify you when your vehicle is ready, and you'll need to schedule a delivery appointment. You can choose to have your Tesla delivered to a Tesla delivery center or, in some cases, to your home. Before delivery, you'll need to complete a few tasks, like providing proof of insurance and finalizing your payment. Tesla also offers a trade-in program if you're looking to sell your current vehicle. On delivery day, you'll meet with a Tesla representative who will walk you through your new vehicle's features and answer any questions you may have. This is your chance to get familiar with the touchscreen interface, the charging process, and the various driving modes. Speaking of charging, you'll need to consider your charging setup. Tesla offers a range of charging solutions, from the standard mobile connector, which you can plug into a regular household outlet, to the wall connector, which provides faster charging at home. You can also use Tesla's supercharger network, which is a network of fast charging stations located along major highways. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Tesla is the over-the-air software updates. Tesla regularly releases updates that improve vehicle performance, add new features, and enhance the user experience. It's like your car is constantly evolving. Now, let's address some common questions. What about service? Tesla has a network of service centers, and they also offer mobile service, where technicians come to you. What about warranties? Tesla offers a comprehensive warranty that covers the battery, drive unit, and other components. And what about resale value? Teslas tend to hold their value well, thanks to their advanced technology and strong demand. Ordering a Tesla is a unique experience. It's not just about buying a car, it's about joining a community, embracing innovation, and contributing to a sustainable future. It's about being part of something bigger. And while the process might seem a bit different from what you're used to, it's designed to be streamlined and user-friendly. Remember, the key is to do your research, configure your Tesla to your liking, and be patient during the waiting period. The reward? A vehicle that's not just a car, but a glimpse into the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.